Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So these is the new China Hobby 4S packs. I ordered 2 of them so I can run 8S and the Xtm. It's the first time I'm gonna run 8S in this thing. So I'm not gonna do no speed test. I did bring the GPS to just test it out. It's kind of windy out here. I'm gonna do some test hits though, but I also want to see what speeds I'm getting. So let's go ahead and set this up. I did catch 78. Post that video after this one, but let's go ahead and stop that. I just want to make sure y'all seeing that. It is on 8S. I got it turned down to 80. I had to give it a little bit more. I'm only gonna get a few hits in, and then I'm gonna call it quits because this is a 6S motor. I ain't trying to burn it out. I know I'm gonna say that in the other one too, so bear with me. Excuse the wind, guys. Excuse the wind. Let's see what you do. Woo, she's still eating too. That's crazy. Hey, that ain't no game, huh? Woke that thing right up. Need to come through the traps like that. She did. Nah, get the hell out of here. That thing did 90. That thing did 90. Oh Lord. I think my personal best with this is 93 on 6S. That ain't bad though. For real. Now I'm gonna definitely put some power to this thing. Dying to break 100 with this, so that's going to soon to come. Y'all stay tuned. Probably get some test hits in now, but I want to see how hot the motor is.